Hey YouTube, escalators.co. We're going to take a ride on the Waterfront Tower low-rise elevators. Let's go ahead and take it up to the 25th floor before we take it back down a little bit. Now it is worth noting these elevators have not been modernized by Schindler yet. We've still got original Otis Series 4 fixtures here. This is cab number 49.
Floor.
Classic Otis voice announce. Let's step back. Take it back down to the ground floor. Get one more view of the fixtures here. This one is a particularly smooth ride compared to some of the others. There are some issues on these cabs. They do seem to bounce around a little bit while they're in motion, and you can occasionally hear the door interlock strike something on the outside, as I was just mentioning.
I have one of those.
Well, thanks for joining.